Yo, for all here, I'm giving you Wednesday's action in baseball. I wanted to tell you a couple things. I wore this Manchester United shirt today in New York City, and I got like 5 people that told me to die and rot in hell because of the AIG logo on the front. Just like 5 people I didn't know told me to die, rot in hell, kill yourself. One guy called me an asshole. It was just terrific. But I'm still glad that I wore it because I think I look good. I can play for the Red Devils, isn't that what they call them? Excuse me, it's the Red Devils. Anyway, Astros and Cubs at Wrigley, Paulino against Lilly. The Cubs are not officially dead yet, but they're hanging from a cliff. They can't afford to lose this game. Astros are toast. Bagel for the Cubs. If they get it done, Ted Lilly wins his 10th. Mets and Rockies. The Mets are so finished, they should just cancel the rest of their games. Jimenez and the Rockies have to win. They just got done getting swept by the Giants. I say they step up, take Jimenez. He wins his 13th. Take the over 9 in that one. Thin, crisp air in Colorado this time of year. Lots of runs. Angels and Mariners. This is a great one. Casimir's first start with the Angels. Will he get it done? I say no, because guess who he's facing? King Felix Hernandez. He wins his 14th. I love it at 2.77 ERA. Wouldn't be surprised that's an under. Boston and Tampa Bay. Here's your totals. Beckett against Garza at the Trop. Take the under 8.5. Beckett at 3.80. Garza 3.95. This is a pitching matchup all around. Go with the under 8.5. Cleveland and Detroit. Laffey against Porcello. It's an over 9 in my view. Everyone's going to think it's an under because Laffey's at a 3.4. Porcello at a 4.2. I'm going over 9. Hey, wait a minute. I want a softie. Slow down, son. Anyway, Arizona and the Dodgers at the Ravine. Scherzer against Billingsley. I think the Dodgers take it, and I'm going over 7.5. Even though their number combined is right around 7.5, I say in this game, runs. Dodgers playing for their lives. They got to score runs, so I think they will. So take the over 7.5 in the Dodger game, over 9 in the Cleveland-Detroit game, under 8.5 in the Boston-Tampa game. Your 3 winners, Seattle, Rockies, Cubs. See you tomorrow for Thursday's Locks. PharrellRadio.com is where you hang out. You're going to love my new horse racing fantasy league, my new football fantasy league. You're going to love my new Remedy shirts coming out during the football season in September. I got 2 different versions. And ScottBeatsAman.com rules. Get on there this week and get the football package discounts for Pro College and a combo meal College and Pro. ScottBeatsAman.com. Get the discount rates for the whole season now. Believe me, it'll save you money. ScottBeatsAman.com rules. I was 58 games over 500 in August in baseball. Who loves you, baby? Uncle Futrelli. See you on the radio 8 East every night. You know where to find me. Shake it.